Hi crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? So guys, today we're actually going to do another sneak peek from Bella Art Diamonds. And as you can see, it comes in a very pretty black box. And this is their logo, has a very colorful butterfly, and it says Bella Art Diamonds. All right, and then on the side, it tells you that it has high quality canvas, thick protective cover, premium poured glue, clear symbols, superior shine, hand rendered and licensed artwork. And then over here, this is the choking hazard warning. Okay. And then I love the instructions in the back of the box. It basically tells you step by step the instructions, and then it also provides pictures, which is really, really cool. And then on the side, it has these, I guess like Art Deco colors. Very pretty. All right, so let's open this baby up. Oh, and I always forget. And of course, on the top of the box, it has a picture of the painting and all the information, just in case you are putting the boxes on a shelf. You can basically, you'll know that this painting, because it has the picture on it. So that comes in handy, very handy actually. All right, so let's open this baby up. Now, all the Bella Art Diamonds paintings, guys, comes with this. Love this tray, by the way. This is the Bella Art Essential Tray, and I believe they have them in all colors. Okay, and the painting comes in a plastic bag for protection. So let's open this baby up. Sorry about the noise. I believe this is a snack size, guys. Okay, there's the drills. Let's get the sticker and the tool and the toolkit. That was the toolkit. And where is the sticker? I don't know why the sticker always gives me a hard time. All right, I'm gonna have to put it this way. All right. Put that aside. Let's look at the sticker very quickly. Okay, it shows you a picture of the painting. And then on the top, Bella Art Diamonds, enhancing your diamond painting experience. This painting is called Raspberry White. But I think it's called Raspberry White Mocha, but that's what they have here, Raspberry White. And it's licensed from Jamie Walton Art. The size is 36 centimeters by 45 centimeters, which is 14.17 inches by 17.72 inches. And this is a round drill. And it comes, I love that it's a big sticker, guys. So it has the pre-cut stickers here. You could actually put these on your container, or if you want to keep the drills in the bags that they come in, you could actually put the stickers on the baggies. Now it comes with 35 colors. Wow, it only has one AB. I'm very surprised. But you know what that means, right? That means that we could actually add some ABs. Why not? And I love also that it's 1 through 8 is just the same number, as you can see. And then it has alphabets and then a couple of symbols. Got an anchor. I got a musical note. All right. Beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. It's so cute. All right, let's look at the toolkit. Besides the, well, here's the tray. Let's put the tray there so you can see it. Come on. I love these little baggies, by the way. Okay. So it comes with a pen. This is a single placer, so you'd only pick one drill at a time. But it also comes with 3 multi-placers. So all you have to do is just change this, see? And you can change it to a bigger one if you want to pick up more drills at a time. So I believe this is a 3 placer, and this is probably a 6, and I have no idea, but this is maybe an 8 placer, not sure. But it also comes with a comfort grip. This is for your hands, so it slips on, which is nice, very easily. So it helps, especially if you suffer from arthritis. And it comes with this cute container, and it has blue wax. I believe there's 3 in here. Yep. And of course the wax has a plastic covering, guys, so peel it back and that's how you grab the wax. All right. It's supposed to be very good wax, by the way. And I love that it comes with a tweezer. Okay. Very, very, very sharp tweezers, so be careful. And this is the washi tape. It has a butterfly and it's got flowers and a little sun. See how pretty that is? It's very cute. All right, so let's put this aside. And now let's bring out the painting. Now, as you can see, guys, the canvas is very, very soft. Very soft canvas, which is very nice. It has scallop edges. This is to prevent fraying. All right, so I'm gonna turn this baby around. Oh my gosh, wait, let me just roll it back. And I guess you could do this because it is poured glue. All right. And remember, this is all licensed, hand rendered, which is pretty cool. Now, let's look at the top. Over here it says Bella Art Diamonds, enhancing your beautiful diamond experience. And then it says share your love for Bella Art Diamonds on social media. # Bella Art Diamonds. Okay. And then over here again, BellaArtDiamonds.com or BellaArtDeNicole.com, because she also sells all kinds of different accessories like trays. What I love about her paintings is that it has 2 legends, one on the left-hand side on the bottom, okay? But this is what you call a reverse legend. So all you have to do, suppose you want to work on this side, all you have to do is turn your painting around and you're able to read the legend. I love that. Okay, then let's look at how thick this, look at this. I don't know, you can see it, but you can't feel it, but this is super thick plastic, which I love. And poured glue, very, very sticky, as you can see, which is nice. Now let's look at this beautiful painting. Oh, wait a minute, down here, I almost forgot. It says Raspberry White. It has a little picture, licensed from Jamie Walton Art. This is a 36 by 45 centimeters, 14.17 by 17.72 inches. And now this painting, guys, this is a round one, but it also comes in a square. So that's nice. They offer it both. Now over here, it says Bella Art Nicole again. And then over here, it tells you where you can find them: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Now let's look at this beautiful painting. Oh my God, guys, it is adorable. It's really, really cute. So we have a cat, and the cat, well, I'm going to look at the pictures, it's easier for me. So the cat has like pink raspberry colors to it, and it has very cute blue eyes with long eyelashes, has a very pinky nose, and then it's got his whiskers, and you see his little paws here. Oh my gosh. And then of course this is the cup, so the little cat is inside a cup. Love the colors on the cup. And then down here you have leaves, some green leaves, some raspberries, and chocolate, guys. I hope this is dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. And what else? And then I think this is a milkshake, because you see, like, I don't know if this is whipped cream. This is like whipped cream. That's what it looks like, and like little peanuts. And then up here the same thing, whipped cream. There's like whipped cream on top of the cat's head, and then some raspberries. Oh, let's not forget the peppermint sticks. You need some peppermint sticks in there. Delicious and absolutely adorable. Okay, then another thing, if you look at the background, that's what you call color blocking. So I'm going to bring it up so you can see. That's color blocking. So you're going to have the same drill. You don't have to constantly change. But when you look at the up here on the whipped cream, or the cat, or down here in the cup, that's more confetti. So confetti, you're going to have to be changing the drills, but that's no problem. Look at it, guys. It's just so cute. Absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's bring out the drills. Now, the drills, very important, guys, to mention that the drills are resin drills. So that's very good quality. And unfortunately, it only has one AB, but like I mentioned before, the good thing about having only one AB means that you could be creative, right? You could add more ABs to it. All right, I believe that's the only AB. Wow, I'm really, really surprised. All right, let's see. I'm going to do this so we can see them better, the colors. So we have like browns, purples, blues, sage, which I love, a light pink, a darker pink, like raspberry colors, some like tan, greens, reds, and you have black. I think that's a black. And then you have purple and gray. So it's got like a little bit of everything in here, which is nice. All right, so let's bring out the AB. And AB just stands for Aurora Borealis, which means it's just a drill with an extra shine. Very, very little. It's green. So I believe this is probably for the leaves. All right, so let's look at the legend. And the legend says that it's capital letter M. So wherever you see capital letter M, oh, it's not. It's not on the leaves. Let's see. It's over here. And that is actually, oh, wow. That's actually a little blue flower. So there's actually blue flowers here. And it's the inside, the middle, not the inside, the middle of the flower. So you have it there, you have it here, and you have it here, which where the flowers are. Now, guys, if you wanted to add ABs, oh my God, there's so many places that you could put ABs, right? You could actually put ABs on the peppermint sticks. You could put peppermint. You could put ABs maybe on the eyes a little bit, and definitely a little bit on the chocolate, and maybe some on the leaves. And why not on maybe a little bit spread on the whipped cream. Very, very pretty, guys. All right. So yeah, and by the way, the 66 kits coming out, and they're all coming out, I believe, on January 6th, which is a Saturday. So yeah, I hope you love this painting as much as I do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and a wonderful Happy New Year. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.